how to enable a trolling. How to enable a trolling mode on your Mercury outboard. Okay guys, if you are an information hunt like a young generation who cannot wait, give me the answer as soon as possible. I don't want to listen this non-Scandinavic accent blah 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 guy. Here is the straight answer for you. I make it easy for you. Plus or minus, doesn't matter. Let's get it plus. And then the mode button. You are in the trolling mode. That's it. That's it. You wanna go faster? Plus, 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 plus. You are going faster. 5 seconds or so. That's it. You wanna go slower? Okay. Minus, minus, minus. That's it. Okay, you are tired of the trolling mode, like you are tired of listening this non-American, non-British, non-even Scandinavic accent guy. Yeah, you wanna exit the trolling mode. Okay, plus or minus doesn't matter, and the mode button again. You are out of the trolling mode. That's it. Share, like, subscribe. Don't listen to this stupid guy who is blah blah blah. Otherwise, if you want to see a lot of nice landscapes, or should I say waterscapes, and get some useful information like inside information, debug information, bug. Okay, stay with me. Okay, let me first guys to explain you the structure of this video and why I have called this frivolous representation. While frivolous means like not having any serious purpose or value, that is not true. You will find a lot of useful information in this video, I believe so. I learned a lot during last days before I have made the final video, and that's why I'm recording this like how it's to say transition video between my previous work. In this video we will be talking about these gauges, these round gauges that Mercury has have had always. They are 85 millimeters round gauges of different generations. I believe now it is generation 3 or maybe 4. The only differences are software and the lens and bezel. Guys, can you be a little bit? Yeah, okay. So, guys on the radio. Well, so we will be talking about how to enable trolling mode from these gauges. This is taho gauge, and I have a speedometer gauge. Yeah, you are wondering why it's there, because I have been testing this also. As I told you, this is like a kind of transition video, so, and I learned a lot. I was trying to set trolling by speed on this speedometer gauge. It will be in another video, I believe. And today we will be talking how to do this on this taho gauge. I was so stupid to understand how it works during last 12 years. I was thinking that something is wrong, something is not connected, that's why I don't have this. So the gauges, as you probably know, I don't know who is looking this to you that video with blah 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 of the person with some accent, strange accent. So, but okay, these gauges are connected to this junction, you're right, box, and the box is going to the main head unit, to the main computer of the outboard, Smartcraft computer. Yeah, so they are communicating, and you can enable trolling mode using these round gauges. On the taho you can use RPM to enable trolling mode. On the speedometer you can use speed. However, you can't use speed to enable trolling mode on the motor which is 40, 50, 60 horsepower Mercury. and this is explained in some of my other video that I already have on the channel. That is also frivolous because we will be fishing, looking sunsets. Not today, from the previous video, and doing other things, legal things. So stay with me. It all actually began right here on this place, so it's quite symbolic to write this transition video here. How to enable the trolling mode on your Mercury. Oops, sorry. Mercury outboard. There is a fish. Fish first, ladies then. So guys, let's wait a bit for the duck. No, not that duck that is flying. I mean the evening time, sorry for my accent. And as you can estimate by the sun, of course you can't, the evening will come in about 3 hours or so. I know this. Of course I know this because I know the time. So it's 8 p.m. This is for Americans. And then I can show you how you can do this and why you can't. Probably some of you you couldn't do this in the daytime. Meanwhile, about sponsors of this video, well, no sponsors, just your likes for enjoy, nothing more. True. What do you need from me? Well, 11:30. I believe it's time now to show you all blah 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 blah. So guys, be ready. So why I was thinking that pushing this plus or minus plus do nothing, because it really does nothing. Yeah. So and the point is, when you push this, you can barely read what is there in daytime. In the night time you probably can recognize what is written there. It says troll control. Okay, troll control off, push mode to engage. Well, that's the point. So you push minus or plus to set your IPM. Yeah, and I'm doing this now with my glasses. Well, Brit says glasses, Americans will say eyeglasses. So because in daytime, even with glasses or eyeglasses, I can't read these numbers, especially with this crack. Yeah, and you see, so sorry if it looks a little bit mess, because I have to drive in the same time. So you push this button, and on the right side you set RPM. I will set it to 900, and then push mode to engage. Then I push it it says push mode to disengage, and then we have it. Nice. So we have 3.7 kilometers per hour. Sorry, Americans, I cannot convert this in miles or knots. So even 4 kilometers per hour, which is too much for pike perch, but this is just for demo. So, and we are in the trolling mode. What is about the fish? Yeah, no fish there, no fish there. midnight. No fish. Where is pike perch? That's the moon. Have you ever been in Finland? Yeah? You should. Well, almost 2 a.m. and it's just to show you what does it mean. 2 a.m. in Finland. Do you like it? It's already July, 1st of July, as you probably noticed by the nice sunny weather, so and my clothes, and we are trying to learn how to handle the trolling mode. And one more thing, guy, you don't need to push mode twice if you are already in the trolling mode. If you want to increase or decrease your speed, now we are going 3.5 kilometers per hour, which is maybe about 3 miles per hour. Yeah, you can convert by Google. And I want to go a bit slower. I just push minus. I cannot see in daytime, well, even with my eyeglasses. So, but you can see by the speed that now we are 3.2. Yeah. So, and okay, wind is blowing, and if we want to go this way, our speed against the wind decrease, and then we want to have more RPM to keep 3.2. Yeah, so I just push and wait. Yeah, and here we are. You can get maximum 1000 here for Mercury motors. You probably know this. And for some weather conditions it probably will be not enough. I don't know yet, but you can see how nice is this feature, because you don't need to manage this by this handle, and it's extremely difficult. For 12 years I was doing this, trying to find where is my right speed, and the motor stopped sometimes. Well, but now, due to internet, yes, you can understand things. No, it's not fish, it's me. And one more thing, guys, when the wind is blowing to our back, is it the right wording? You have speed 3.5, sometimes even 4, and that's a lot. And the problem that you cannot set less than 700 here. So in this mode, when I'm just set forward, from neutral to forward, I have 750 always about. So you can set 700 here, it does nothing, and you cannot go lower. And on some motors, by the way, my motor is 50. I didn't say this anyway, I think. On some motors you can do as low as 500, if I remember right. So here 700. Remember this. So if you want to decrease your speed in specific weather conditions, you probably need to use something else or someone else on the right, on the left, and they, she or he will be acting as brakes. Is it legal to say this on this channel? Okay, quick recap. Yeah, so we're in the default mode, no trolling mode, just from neutral to forward. Yeah, the default. English is fine, you need to use articles, and it's always problem for us foreigners. Ulkomaalaista. Okay, so now you want to increase your speed. Plus. Remember, 10 RPM every time you click plus, and then mode. I don't know if you can hear, but I can hear by the motor. Who is there? So, and we can see 4.2. We are definitely in the trolling mode. Just remember, you don't need to look there. Now, if you want to decrease, minus. Okay, that's all. And wait. By the way, who rewinded to this part? Tell me honestly. Why not to look all the video, all 50 minutes? And then don't have any problems for 12 years. So you can see 3.8. We definitely have changed RPM. And now you want to exit. Plus or minus, doesn't matter. Let's be plus. And mode. And that's all. Now let's wait. Okay, wind is blowing to our back. So probably, yeah, well, 3.7, we're still in this speed. Okay, 3.5, yeah. That's all, guys. Did you like it? If you didn't, tell me in comments, because dislike doesn't work.